Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week is the week of my next market, and I am just going to focus on making as many products as I can. Currently, I am making 3 coin wallets. I cut out this fabric yesterday, and now I'm just putting them together. I am making these 3. I also made a couple of zip pouches to fill up my zip pouches display. I also got 2 new displays. I'm excited about those, and yeah, let's just get to work. Here's our first one. It came out so cute. I haven't made wallets in this fabric before, but someone at my previous market asked me if I had coin wallets in this fabric, and I was like, why not? And they would go so cute together with this. I also have some boxy makeup bags in this fabric, so it could create like a really cute gift set. I also have a Kindle sleeve that matches this as well. Hey guys, today's Wednesday and I am currently making some boxy makeup bags. I have already had them cut out even before my last market, so I finally got more batting and I'm able to sew them up. This one is almost done. I just need to box out the corners. I haven't made one in this fabric yet, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. It's super cute. I love it. It has 2 tabs on the sides. And just my label on the front. It's adorable. Every time I make a makeup bag, I'm like surprised at how cute they turn out. But yeah, I love this one a lot. I decided I wanna cut out a couple more bags to make because I only have like 6 right now. I know they're probably not going to sell, but I just wanna have them on hand. I'll make my like 2 bestseller ones, the patchwork one. I'll make one in this fabric that I have, the big toad, and another mushroom one probably, or maybe I'll just make 2 of these because those are always like very popular with my customers, and I think it'll look good in my booth and it'll just fill up more space. Okay, I lied. I'm sorry, but I instead cut out 2 wallets and 1 boxy makeup bag. I just now realized that I don't have like boxy makeup bags in this fabric. And it's my best-selling fabric and like all the stuff that I make, so let's make one. Oh, another exciting thing. I finally bought a microphone. I can't use it right now because my phone is almost dead and I need to charge it, but I get a microphone. I keep it in this little wallet now. It's cute. But yeah, I got a comment on my last video. No. On like my first market video, and someone commented like, please get a Bluetooth mic. I was like, yes, I know I need to get one so bad. I've been wanting to, so I finally did. It's like not a really professional one, but I can't really buy the Rode mic. I think that's what it's called. I know that those are good quality, but I just can't, like, it's not on my budget yet. But this one, I tested it out yesterday and it worked really well. There's also a lot of wind outside, and I don't know if you can hear it. Hopefully not. Here's how far I'm standing. Can I whisper? Can you hear me if I whisper? I don't know. We'll see. 2 days ago, I planted a bunch of herbs on my patio, so we're gonna see how it grows, if it grows. I'm still not planting in the ground because I don't know, we're renting this house, so I don't know if the owners would be okay with it. But I just planted herbs, and I still planted potatoes in that same pot that, like, I know they can grow in. And I planted rosemary, thyme. I love thyme. I put thyme in my tea and it just tastes so good. And rosemary, what else? Cilantro, dill, something else. Oh, and I planted some cherry tomatoes as well. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't planted tomatoes before, so it's gonna be my first time trying to grow them. Hopefully they grow. I'm also excited. My husband and I have 2 weddings coming up. One for our very close friend and another one for my brother-in-law. And I'm really excited because we're going to be traveling for both of them. One is going to be in Texas and another one is in Washington State. And I'm so excited because we haven't gone anywhere in so long. And we finally are like going places, and we're gonna make a trip out of the Washington one because both my husband and I wanted to go to Washington State for so long. Now we have a reason. Also, our couple of friends are gonna be going like at the same time as us, and we're both us and them gonna be staying there for a week. We're gonna go hiking, we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have a very busy spring and summer. Also, I have signed up for another market in May. Yeah, it is gonna be a smaller one, I think it's gonna be a smaller one, but it'll be fun. I'm making bread again for the rosemary this time. Guys, it came out so cute. I don't know why I haven't made it before in this fabric, but it's adorable. There's 2 tabs on this one as well. And I did just pair it with a regular white fabric inside, but I love it. I think this is gonna be one of my favorites now. It's 3:53 in the morning and we're ready to head out. How are you feeling, babe?
Tired.
Me too. Okay, let's go. Thank you, I hope this works.
Okay guys, it is 1:40 right now and I have made 6 or 7 sales, so it's not too bad. It is definitely a lot busier than all of my other markets that I've ever done, so that's really nice. And I had made more money already, and I made my vendor feedback like after an hour of being here, so that was really nice. But yeah, it's going pretty well. We got coffee, and I feel so much better now, less tired. My mom came in, she got us coffee, so that was really nice. Also, the sweetest girl just bought a coin purse from me, and she was just so nice. And I gave her like a free sticker. I was like, those kind of people make my day, because I had a couple of people who were like, "Oh, I can't make that." I was like, "Okay, yeah." You always get those kind of people at the markets, but it still upsets me a little bit, you know. But yeah, she was really sweet, and she definitely made my day. I feel much better now.
Hey guys, today is Monday and I wanted to say a couple of things about the market yesterday. I did really well yesterday. I am definitely going to come back into this market next year. I decided for myself. I met a lot of really nice people. For the most part, there were a couple of ladies that were a little mean, but for the most part, it was really nice. I did pretty well on sales. I did the best at this market compared to any other markets that I did in the past. It was a lot of work because we live about almost 3 hours away from that market, maybe like 2.5, and we had to get up at 3 in the morning the day off, like on Saturday, because it's 2.5 hours away, or 2:45, I don't remember. And then we wanted to stop to get like coffee and breakfast before we got there, because we weren't sure if there was going to be any food around, like normal food, not just like a festival food. The weather was perfect. It was nice all day, like not too hot, and especially because we were under the tent. It was super busy. It was in the downtown area in Southport, and that area is always busy, but especially at that day of the market, it was just packed all day. So yeah, it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have 2 more markets coming up in May, one on the 9th and one on the 31st. I'm also going to be doing a lot of traveling in May and June, so let me know if you would want to see any travel vlogs, because I'm going to Texas and then I'm going to Washington State. So yeah, let me know if you want to see those videos, because I don't know if I'm going to film anything there yet, if you'd be interested in that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.